I am Stephanie Cotta, and I am a newborn and family photographer. I think one of the keys to my success is that I'm able to reconnect the parent to the emotion at the time that the image was taken. So 10, 20, 30 years down the road, they're able to look at that and, smell the new baby. They're able to really feel, the baby, snuggled up against them. And it's about creating such a timeless image that, they'll be able to treasure for years to come. This tutorial is all about the baby's first year plan. We look at newborn, 4, 8, and 12-month sessions, both in studio and on location outdoors. You'll also see my complete retouching process to really help streamline your editing. Additionally, we're going to be including some PDFs that will really help build your baby's first year plan model and help really structure the pricing. In this tutorial, you're really going to see my love for natural light. So when we're in studio, we're looking at just using the light coming from one window source. And when we go outdoors, you'll see how I use the sun, regardless of the time of day, to really create the best possible image. You're going to see us go on location throughout the tutorial because being outdoors really brings such a nice element to the images. But you're not going to see us go far. You're not going to see us in exotic locations. You're going to see us in areas that are available to really anyone. We put together a series of prerequisites, which is really great for the beginning photographer. It's really going to give you all the information that you need about the foundation of the camera and the lighting before you really dive into the entire tutorial. The first tutorial was really all about newborns. It was about newborn posing and creating a systematic approach to that newborn session. Now we've really developed an entire curriculum for the baby's first year plan. It's something that has been really years in the making since I really wanted to perfect the way I do my own baby's first year plan. This tutorial is really great for both beginning and seasoned photographers. For the beginning photographer, it's going to give you the foundation to your camera and to your settings and really help you structure your baby's first year plan. For the seasoned photographer, you're really going to be able to look in depth at each of the sessions and figure out how to really take your business to the next level. One of the things people are going to be really surprised about is just to see how dramatically different working with a newborn, 4-month, 8-month, and 12-month-old baby is. The amazing thing is that you're going to see how to work with all of those different personalities and what all those babies like to do at those independent ages, and see how to really structure your session to produce galleries that are just going to be beautiful. My hope is that photographers really learn how to perfect the art of each one of these milestone sessions and really just produce absolutely breathtaking, amazing images so that the clients just continue coming back to you year after year after year.